Hey gang, Jerry here, and today's going to be another video of our 35 Hot Rod Truck series from Factory 5. This is going to be a really quick video, I hope, but I really wanted to get this video out because it's something I just stumbled across on my build. I'm doing the doors right now, and I wanted to point something out with the hinges on the doors, and I'm hoping that this is going to help somebody. Because if I would have known about this, I would have done it differently. So let me tell you what I'm talking about. So if you look at the manual for the truck, it has you tap one hole on the hinges. And then the other holes are actually drilled with a 5/16. And when you're done with the hinges, it looks, they say it's supposed to look like this. This is page 310 out of the manual. You'll have one hinge that mounts to the truck. These two mount to the door. These two mount to the truck. It has one hinge with two 5/16 holes through it, and then one hinge that has a tap. And the reason for that tap is I'll show you now. So over to the truck. This is going to be really tight, so I hope you can see this. So as you can see, it's hard for me to get anything to point in there to show you, but the outer bolt has the carriage bolt and the nut, but the inner one on this top hinge has the actual regular bolt, and it is the threaded one. And you can see the reason why they have you do that is because the hinge is right up against the body. Now, I think depending on, the frames and the bodies, how they come out of the fiberglass molds and stuff like that, some people might have clearance on the bottom hinge, but if you look, for me, see if I can get the hinge. Sorry, it's hard to see the camera. I'm up against the body on the bottom one also. So if I would have known this, I would have tapped both hinges in that location and put bolts in both of those spots. And my other side door is about the same way. So again, if I were to do this differently, I would tap both of these. And if you end up, you get to this point after tapping it and you have plenty of clearance, then it's very easy just to go back with a 5/16 drill and drill it out and put the carriage bolt and nut. But I'm going to show you a couple of pictures right now on the screen of two different builds that I found, and they ran into the same issue that I have. And what they've done is they actually cut out a opening in the body so they can get access to the carriage bolt and nut, and you can see those on the screen right now. Now, what I plan on doing, I just purchased some plugs right here, and I may end up drilling a very clean round hole so I can get access to that carriage bolt and nut, and then just put a body plug on it. And you see these on vehicle builds, brand new vehicles. You see body plugs in the door sills and stuff like that. Or, a lot of people do, doing dent repair, they'll put these in. So that's what I'm going to do. It's going to be a little bit cleaner than the photos I just showed you. And that's going to be my solution. But if I would have known hindsight, I would have drilled and tapped and put a bolt. And then I wouldn't have had to have done this at all. So I'm hoping that's going to help somebody in their build. If I would have known, I would have done it differently. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, because I hope that helps. So if you like this video, give it a massive thumbs up. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Can you continue to do builds, serious videos on my project. Getting close to paint. I'm hanging the doors right now. And then after the doors are all fitted, it's going to be ready for paint. I'll probably be doing a video on the doors. As most of you know that has already done some builds, doors are kind of, it's a challenge to do the doors. So hopefully when I have mine all said and done, I'll do a video on the doors showing what I ran into and how I solved any issues that I ran into. So that's gonna wrap it up for this one, gang. Remember, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right, gang, take care and see ya.